What? Okay, I'm taking a picture of Ellie. Wow, Ellie, you got that up yourself.
I need my umbrella.
Eric, can you get his umbrella before he comes stomping through? Yep, Daddy's getting your umbrella. Oh, careful, watch Ellie.
I can't fall off in the rain. I put an umbrella on your head. And rain on your head. I put it on your head. In the rain, it's hot.
Alex.
Outside
and open it up.
In the rain.
It's not raining anymore.
Yeah.
Well, it is just a little bit. Here, Alex, let Daddy help.